Okay, this is how to download and then upload the um, SBHS title block for your technical drawings. So first thing you'll do is go to your module in 8DT, go to the module called CAD Fusion. The template you're after, the file here is the SBHS technical drawing template .f2t. Simply right click that one, or actually just select it and then click on that link. It'll download to your downloads. Okay, so once that's done, you can go to Fusion and then you upload it to your folder. Okay, so you need to use that template for your technical drawings. Just go to upload, select the file, find the folder downloads. I already downloaded it before, so let's say it's that one there. Open it and upload. And it should upload and end up in your file. So that's preparing you for the next video, which is to create a technical drawing using the Sydney Boys High School technical drawing template.